Now we will discuss personality types and language acquisition. Within the affective domain, another sub-area of interest over the past half-century has been the measurement of personality characteristics. We have already discussed the affective domain, and under that domain you have emotional aspects, you have attitude, perceptions and all that. But now the emphasis is on basically the measurement of these personality characteristics and how they contribute in the success of language acquisition process. So let's see the different types of the personality characteristics and how they can be measured, how they can be tested. The most popular measurement of personality characteristics is the Myers-Briggs type indicator, commonly referred to as the Myers-Briggs Test. Now what they do is basically there are two-dimensional categories every characteristics has. For example, introversion versus extroversion. Now when we talk about introversion, we see that they are very quiet, high concentration towards their work. They prefer to work alone. They actually sometimes hate being out on the spot. They think before they speak. And extroversion, they are pretty sociable, enjoying working in groups, very active, talkative. Then you have sensing versus intuition. Now in this, the focus as far as sensing is concerned is on the reality of how things are. They pay attention to concrete facts and details. They prefer ideas that have practical application, and they like to describe things in specific literal way. When you look at intuition, they kind of imagine the possibilities of how things could be. They notice the big picture, see how everything actually connects. They enjoy ideas and concepts for their own sake. They like to describe things in a figurative, poetic manner. Then we have thinking versus feeling. Now in thinking, you have people who prefer logical, analytical, scientific kind of work. They work or they pay more emphasis on rationality, theoretical, unconcerned with people's feeling, mostly concerned with all encompassing these areas: rationality, scientific, dispassionate and all that. Now when we talk about feeling, feeling is alogical, which is neither logical nor illogical. Now it's concerned primarily with being passionate, warm, personal concern with matters of ethics, concerned with people's feelings and all that. Then we have judging versus perceiving. Now judging are the kind of people who follow this kind of characteristic. They focus more on completing tasks, deciding and planning, organizing, controlling and regulating, goal-oriented, etc. Perceiving focuses on starting tasks, taking in information, adapting and changing, curious and interested, open-minded, wants to find out about the job, resisting closure in order to obtain more data. So these are basically the personality types and characteristics which we will be discussing in the next topic, come under Myers-Briggs Test. To conclude, the MBTI reflect the characteristics essential for the success in a second language depends on the strategies associated with one's native learning type preferences based on the kind of characteristics that we have just discussed.